All right, my friends, I wanted to open up and show you how to get to the Community tab in the King's Table. So if you see across the top here, we have multiple tabs. The first one says Community, there's Classroom, Calendar, Members, and as such. You're going to click on the Classroom, and then you can scroll down to 21 Day Clarity Fast, and you can click on it and it'll opens up. Now you see 21 Day Clarity Fast at the top, and you see a progress bar. You're going to click just below that, it says the 21 Day Clarity Fast with a star next to it. Click on that one. And then when you do that, it will open up to the fast, the Clarity Fast introduction, an introductory page with a video and some information about the fast and what the intentions are and what you can feel like, and a little bit of encouragement here for daily practices and what to kind of expect from the fast. So you do that, and then at the very top there in the little circle, you're going to see that little circle that turns green. When you click on that, and then you hit the backspace button at the very top to the left of the King's Table. You click that backspace button, it's going to take you back here, and you can see that progress bar has increased to 4% because we checked off that section or that part of the progress. So yes, you can do that for the rest of the curriculum, the course curriculum there. You can open up and see the other modules. So module 1 has day 1, 2, and 3 in it. So it's going to break it up over time. And don't feel like you need to do every single module. If it's something in here that's not really for you, then feel free to skip it. Like if you don't feel like you need to have more clarity, like you already hear from God pretty well, then you don't need to do that. So feel free to skip over that if necessary. But this is for you. Take what you need, leave what you don't. It's just that simple. So yes, that's all for now. So if you have any questions about the Clarity Fast, you can go into the 21 Day Clarity Fast tab and just go to the post category there, and now you've changed it to 21 Day Clarity Fast. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can just type them into the comments. You see questions or concerns, what should I buy for groceries? What am I gonna survive 3 days just eating fruits and vegetables? Like, if you have something that you're concerned about, you can bring it to the comment section and we can figure it out together. So I look forward to our time together. I am so grateful again for us having this time together to work this out. So I look forward to seeing you in module 1 tomorrow.